Good day all of you. Today we are going to study the another topic of chapter number 2, that is cell division. It is very important topic, so you should focus and clear your doubts carefully. Now cell division. Without cell division we cannot grow. This is the base, understood? And for cell division we required a cell. This is another truth, understood? Now cell. If we talk about cell, you should first of all focus on the structure of the cell. You all know that you have studied the structure of cell in your 9th standard, which was comprises of cell membrane, plasma membrane, and then cytoplasm, then cell organelles like Golgi complex, mitochondria, nucleus, vacuoles, etc. Various other cell organelles were also present, but for cell division the nucleus is the main active organ, because all the process which is taking place during cell division is taking place in the nucleus. So here the main role of cell division takes place in nucleus. So every other organelles, though they are present in the cell, they are not having any function related to cell division. So in this chapter we will only focus on the nucleus, nucleic acid, chromosome and chromosome number, how they divides, understood? And this cell division is the essential process of life, because without cell division life cannot continue, and this is the base through which we can give birth to the new organism, understood? Means each and every living organism on the earth give birth to the another organism through the process of cell division. Now we going forward, you should know that there are two types of cell division. One is mitosis and another one is meiosis. This is the main point, because every time there is a questions related to differentiation between mitosis and meiosis. So here the first differentiation is that mitosis cell division takes place in a somatic cell and stem cells of the body. Now what is somatic cells and what are stem cell? Now somatic cells means the cell which are present in all the body tissue. They are known as somatic cell, except the cell present in the ovary of the female and sperm of the male. These two cells are known as germ cell, and except this germ cell, every cell present in the body is known as somatic cell, understood? Now second word was stem cell. Stem cells are nothing but they are the initial cell at the time of birth. They are present in your body and they divides and differentiate into other body organ. Such type of cells are known as stem cells. Now you are cleared what do you mean by somatic cell and what are stem cell. Another thing I want to add here, that stem cells at the time of birth, stem cells are there are number of stem cells, and while they are dividing and differentiating into different body cell, slowly they are getting converted into a somatic cells, understood? Means stem cells give birth to the somatic cells. Are you clear now? Now there are two types of cell. So though the cell division is taking place during the time of birth or though after we got adult, the process is mitosis, understood? This process is known as mitosis. And the second, that is known as meiosis. Meiosis is the process which is taking place at the time of birth. And this is taking place in the germ cell of the body. Now you are clear about what do you mean by germ cell? That is cell present in the ovary of the female and the cell present in the sperm of the male. These are also known as reproductive cells. Means this germ cell will take part in the reproduction, understood? Means formation of new organism. So this is meiosis. Now second difference between mitosis and meiosis is that in the mitosis is taking place in all the body cell. So it is the role of mitosis is the growth and development of the body, and for means if you are getting injured, it will cover up, and for and if you are small, so your height, health, everything is developing due to the somatic cells, that is due to mitosis. Understood? It is required for growth, development and maintenance of the body. And meiosis is the only cell division required for reproduction. This is the another differentiation between mitosis and meiosis.